Good day. This is the first video on restrictions in algebra. There will be restrictions 1, restrictions 2 up to 5, and then there's restrictions all that summarizes them. Here you're supposed to know that if you have a variable to the power of an even number, the answer will always be bigger than or equal to 0, in other words positive. So x to the power of 4 will be positive, and x to the power of any even number will be bigger than or equal to 0. Here I just wrote them down again, same thing I said, and here I just explain. Anytime when you replace a variable, you replace it in brackets. So minus 2 squared will give me a plus 4. A half squared will give me plus a quarter. Minus 3 to the power of 4 will give me plus 81. And minus a half to the power of 4 will give me plus a 16th. And remember that naught in a bracket to the power of 4 is still naught. That's why we have the bigger and equal to naught here. If what I said in the beginning was true, then this is going to be true too. If you get a minus variable squared, the answer will be negative, so smaller than or equal to naught. If you have a negative of a variable with an even exponent, your answer will always be smaller and equal to 0. Here's an example. If you have a minus 2 squared, you take 2 and you square it, which is 4, and the minus gets taken along. You take the 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and the minus get taken along. The exponent is not influenced by that minus, so the minus is loose, and the 2 squared is the answer. The minus is loose, and the 2 to the power of 4 is the answer. See the difference here now? This minus 2 to the power of 2 is plus 4, because the minus is also squared. Minus 2 to the power of 4 is plus 16, because I'm going to go minus times a minus times a minus times a minus is a plus, and then the 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Understand the difference between these two things. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video and subscribe to the channel. If there's anything else you're unsure about, please send a WhatsApp or a request to this number and we will look at it, make a video for you and post it for free on this channel that everybody can benefit from your question.